I am here today to show you how to properly install a front lace wig. As you can see, I braided her hair down. Now I am going to apply the Got To Be gel onto her edges. Okay, as you guys can see, I am blow drying her hair down after applying the Got To Be gel to make sure everything is slicked back. Okay, so now I'm going to apply a cap closer to her skin color. Okay, so now as you guys see, I am cutting the cap around her ears to make sure the cap is flat when I lay the lace down. So now guys, I'm going to use the Got To Be spray to hold the cap and to secure her edges. Now I'm going to apply a powder foundation onto the cap to blend into her skin tone. Now I'm going to cut the cap around her hairline where I previously sprayed at. So now I'm going to apply the Got To Be gel around her hairline where I previously cut to melt the cap. So now I'm going to use the end of my edge brush with the blow dryer to melt the cap down. So now I have applied the wig to even out both sides of the lace. Okay y'all, so this glue right here that I have called the Glam Glow is the best glue I have used yet. Make sure y'all shop with my girl Kay. As you guys can see, I am applying the glue around the cap. Now I'm going to continue applying the glue around her hairline as the glue clears. As you can see now, I tied a band around her hair to secure the lace. Now I am going to apply my foam to lay the hair back. So as you guys see, now I'm going to use my hot comb to lay down any frizziness or any flyaways. Okay, so that is the end of it. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and all my social medias will be down below in the description box.